Well, hello. Well, I'll get into nitty gritty here. This is my brand new garage I had built in my new house. It is a work in progress. Right now I'm doing vapor barrier. I'm just getting ready to do some insulation and stuff in here. By the way, vapor barrier probably should have help. But that's not what I'm here to show you today. Today I'm going to show you this floor. I did this as soon as I could, as soon as the concrete was hard enough, which takes about 30 days from the time it's poured to be able to do this. This is Oleum's rock solid. And I must say, it's a really, really good product. Like, it still looks like it's wet, and it's been about a month since I did it. But one thing I really like is, this is my car I'm restoring, but it's on these skates. Okay, these little dollies. I can push these across the floor like I have been for a while, and it's not doing a damn thing to it. That's a really nice feature. I have driven across this a lot of times. None of it's pulling up or anything like that. Like, look at this. Here's some oil I haven't cleaned up yet, and it's probably been there a week because I've been busy. But look at this. Just wipes right up, doesn't stain it, doesn't do nothing. Like, and the nice thing about this is also brightens up the garage, so you don't get that light. Just you get light reflecting off the floor, which really helps, especially when you're fixing crap like me. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this floor. It's a really good product. The only thing I would suggest is whatever they tell you to use, buy double, because sometimes it takes more. Like over here by the door, they had to fix my concrete pad here, so it's a little bit different concrete. It wicked into the concrete, and I ended up having to put another coat on this from here right towards the door. So just to make it look good. So I had to actually go over it again, but it's pretty good product. You want to put it down kind of heavy because sometimes it will soak into the concrete a little more. But right here, you can kind of see it did it a little bit, but really, really good product. I'm very happy with it. I haven't had any problems with it. Just like anything else, the prep work is everything, so make sure you clean it really good. This is brand new concrete, so I didn't have to like grind any oil stains or anything else like that out of it. I just did their acid etch, which works really, really good. But if you want to, you can actually go rent a floor polisher with a sander on it just to give it something else to bite too if it's an old floor, which I would recommend. But yeah, really good floor. Very happy with it so far. Like, once I get this side of the garage drywalled and stuff, then I got to move everything over to this side, and you know, just it's gonna be a headache. But anyways, wanted to show you that amazing product. Don't hesitate to buy it, but do read the instructions and do take your time and do all the prep work and do a really good job of the prep work. And if you have to, you might have to sand your concrete just to make it stick. But other than that, highly recommended. Any questions about it, feel free to leave a comment.